Do you want to speak better English at work? In this beginner English lesson, you will learn 10 simple and useful English phrases for work. These phrases are perfect for A1, A2 English learners, and you can use them in the office, in meetings, or in any job. I will also explain important words so you understand everything clearly. Let's start. Phrase 1. Could you repeat that, please? Repeat means to say something again. Examples. Sorry, could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat the last part? I didn't catch that. Can you repeat it? Use this when you didn't hear or understand something. Phrase 2. I don't understand. Can you explain? Understand means to know the meaning. Explain means to make something clear. Examples. I don't understand this task. Can you explain? I don't understand the instructions. Can you explain what I should do next? Use this when you need more information. Phrase 3. Can you help me with this? Help means to support someone or make something easier. Examples. Can you help me with this report? Can you help me finish this form? I need help with this problem. Can you help me? Use this when you need support from a coworker. Phrase 4. I will do it right away. Right away means immediately or now. Examples. I will send the email right away. I will call the customer right away. I will update the file right away. Use this to show responsibility and speed. Phrase 5. I'm working on it. Working on means you are doing the task now. Examples. The file. I'm working on it. I'm working on the report now. Don't worry, I'm working on it. Use this when someone asks about progress. Phrase 6. Do you need anything else? Anything else means another thing or something more. Examples. The meeting room is ready. Do you need anything else? I finished the task. Do you need anything else? Your order is complete. Anything else? Use this to show you are helpful. Phrase 7. Let's take a break. Break means a short rest. Examples. We've been working for 2 hours. Let's take a break. Let's take a short break and continue. I need a break. Let's take 5 minutes. Use this during long tasks or meetings. Phrase 8. I will be there in a minute. In a minute means very soon. Moment also means a short time. Examples. You need me in the office. I'll be there in a minute. I'm coming. I'll be there in a minute. One moment, I'll be there in a minute. Use this when someone calls you. Phrase 9. Good job. This means you did something well. Examples. You finished the project. Good job. Good job on the presentation. That was great work. Good job. Use this to encourage coworkers. Phrase 10. See you tomorrow. Tomorrow means the next day. Evening means the time after afternoon. Examples. I'm leaving now. See you tomorrow. Good night. See you tomorrow. Have a good evening. See you tomorrow. Use this to end the workday politely. You now know 10 useful English phrases for work, and you learned the meaning of important words. Practice these phrases every day to sound more confident and professional. For more A1, A2 English lessons, easy English stories, and English listening practice like this video, subscribe and turn on notifications. Tell me in the comments, which phrase will you start using right away?